Okay. So today I am going to talk about go through the paper, the miniDSE Set 5, paper 1. This section will go through number 1 to number 9, which is the section A1. So this is simple question from number 1. So first of all, the indices A4, B negative 7, and then negative A2, B3, and negative 2. Remind you that this is a negative sign, which is actually negative 1. Don't miss it. Okay, so here A4, B negative 7, remove the bracket. So negative 1 should also have the negative 2. And then A, the 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. B, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Okay, so all negative number, put it upward. So negative 1 square, A4, B6 here. And then the A4 remain here. The negative 7, putting downward. And the negative 1 square is 1, that means no more here. And then A, 4, 4, so A4 plus 4 is 8. And then the bigger one is 7, so 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 no need to show here. Answer. Number 2, A, factorize x squared plus 2xy. Factorize. So take out the x, then x plus 2y. That's the answer. And then for part B, take a look at the question. For part B, x squared plus 2xy plus 3x plus 6y. And then you can see that the part repeated in part A, this one is the part repeated. So you just copy the solution from part A and also copy the one at the back. Don't do anything so that you can get the 1 mark securely. And then do the factorization of the part at the back. Take out the 3. And then you have x plus 2y. And you have 2 brackets the same. So x plus 2y, take it out. And then remaining x plus 3. And that's the answer. Okay? Let's move to number 3. Number 3 is a question about change of subject. Easy one. So the formula x2 bracket x plus y equals 3x minus 1. And then the subject change to y. So remove the bracket first. 2x plus 2y equal 3x minus 1. So 2y equal 3x minus 1 minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x minus 1. So y equal x minus 1 over 2. Easy then. This is part A. And then for part B, if the value of x is increased by 1, write down the change in the value of x. Here, you write down the change here. From part A, you can see that y is equal x minus 1 divided by 2. So if this one, the new one, is the old one plus 1, right? So you may write down the new y. Y dash will be equal to the x dash minus 1 divided by 2. So it is actually x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. And then you need to rewrite as the form of x minus 1 divided by 2. So it is x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. And you can separate the denominator by this. And then you can see that this one is actually the old y plus 1 over 2. Therefore, the y is increased by 1 over 2. Okay, and actually you no need to show this. You no need to show, but you can show. Okay, this is the number 3. And then for number 4, is a question talking about probability, but it is actually a concept about percentage or fraction. Okay, number 4, a box contains 3 red cards, 9 blue cards, and then n yellow cards. If a card is randomly drawn from the box, and then find the probability given of a yellow card is 1 over 7, find the value of n. So you just set up an equation about n. Okay, number 4, you have 3 red card, 9 blue card, and n yellow card. And then probability of yellow card by the given number should be n, because number of cards of yellow is n, and then the total number of cards is 3 plus 9 plus n. And then in the question, given that the probability of getting a yellow card is 1 over 7, 1 over 7 is equal to the number given, like this. And then you can easily solve out the equation, right? N equal 2. That's why it's only 3 marks. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5, it is estimation question. In secondary school, ABC secondary school, there are 132 S1 students, and then S2 students 69, and then S3 students 208. And then for part A, by rounding up, the key value, the key word is rounding up. That means no matter what is the number at the back, you need to add 1 to the nearest 10. Okay, to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. That means you do the estimation first. Okay, you estimate all the numbers in different form and then estimate the total number. That means you sum up. Okay, so this is the actual number. Actual. After that, you need to do the estimation, estimated to the nearest 10. 10係邊個位啊？ 10 is the digit here. Okay, so right after the 10, you no need to consider what number it is. You just add 1 to the 10. Okay, to the digit 10. So Form 1 student estimated to 140. S2 student estimated to 70. Form 3 student estimated to 210. Therefore, the estimate total is 140 plus 70 plus 210, which is 嚇死人啊！突然間講嘢 420, yeah, 420. Okay, so don't add up them or the actual number and then do the estimation. This is wrong because you need to follow what is instructed by the question. Okay, and then for part B, just do the explanation because it say that the school is going to hold a music concert, blah, blah, blah. Take a look at the question. It's going to hold a music concert, and all the junior form students, that means the form 1, 2, 3 students are required to join. And then the school hall will have 420 seats. Will there be enough seats for the students? And then you use the results. Maybe you can just say because the rounded up number of students 420 is not bigger than the number of seats 420. Therefore, enough. OK？ 如果 round down 咧，就係唔使減嘅。round down 係 no need to add。OK， just cut off the numbers at the back。如果 round down，OK， 如果就咁 rounding 咧，就要你睇後面嗰個 number 啦。OK， 有3個 term 噶嘛 ，round up 就點都加1啦。如果就咁，如果 round down 咧，就係乜嘢都唔做啦。OK， 如果 round 係啊，如果就咁 rounding 咧，就咁 round off 啦，就 round off 佢話。如果 round off 咧，就要4寫5入啦。你要睇翻呢個 number。132 round down 咪就咁130咯。我唔要個2啦，咁樣咯，全部都係變 zero 噶。呢個咁簡單反而唔識啊，死啦真係。而家好啲未啊？呢個係4寫5入，即係0 to 4咧，就係咩都唔做。5 to 9咧就係加1，得唔得？咁你陣間要同我一齊上中一嗰堂啦，因為我哋講真係啱陣間就講4點鐘。不過我講中文 ，but anyway 你都明，你嚟啦，如果你有時間嘅話，好冇？好 number 6咯喎。number 6 easy 啦，係咪啊 ？Inequalities。咁就 first of all you solve the inequalities at part A。哎呀 ，part A。Number 6, 1 minus 2x over 2 bigger than 4x minus 9. And then 1 minus 2x, you change the denominator times the denominator to the right-hand side. X times okay, and then change the x term to the left, change the numbers to the right, and then negative 10x bigger than negative 19. So you divide the number negative 10 to the right-hand side, and then you need to change the sign from bigger to smaller. That means x smaller than 1.9. Okay, this is part A. And then for part B, find the number of integers satisfy both the inequalities in part A and also the x plus 3 bigger than 0 or equal to 0. This one easily can get x bigger than or equal to negative 3. And then because you are going to find the number of integers within the range, so you need to find the range first. So therefore, part A results and part B results. You can see that part A is 1.9, which is 0. Yep. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, you better draw the integers on the line first, and then you can easily count how many integers in between. And then negative 3 is here, and then it should be bigger than -3, which is the part B solution, and then 1.9 is actually in between 1 and 2. So, and then it is smaller. Okay, it is an N solution, so we need to find out the range, which is overlapped area. Okay, therefore, X is in between -3 and 1.9. How many integers in between this you can count? Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 係啦 Okay, 5. So you may not need to write down all the integers because it is the question asks only about the number of integers. You can say 5 integers. Okay, or it is clear for you to write down like this. You can count, okay? And a reminder about 0. 0 is an integer, but it is not positive and not negative. Okay, if the question states clearly about positive integers or negative integers, then 0 will not be involved. Okay, 0 is just an integer, but not positive, not negative. Okay, clear? Number 7. Okay, this one is about scale. Okay, first of all, it is a scale, a scale 1 to 12,000. It is a linear scale, and then if area of the park in the map is 320, so 呢個 scale 係 linear 嘅 length 嘅 about it is about length. If I need to find out the area, I need to find out the scale in area. So scale, that means the fraction scale about area will be equal to 1 over the 12,000 and then square. Okay, so if I am going to find the actual area, actual area divided by, to the map area, the scale involved, the actual one is bigger one, so bigger one over the smaller one, square. And then the given map area is actual area be equal to 320. And I write down cm square here so that you have a better understanding about the units. Okay, so the actual area is 330 times 12,000 square. Okay, cm square. Okay, and then it is asking for we need to change it to km square, right? Between changing to km square, we need to change it to meter square. Okay, is it divide? Yes, divide. So 320 times 12,000 square. If we need to change it to meter square, we need to divide by 100 square, right? And then if we need to change one more to km square, we need to divide also by 1,000 square because we changed to km. Okay, so the final answer is 撳機咯喎, you need to use the calculator. It is number 7, and then you can have the 4.608 kilometer square. Okay, oops, it's shifting. Okay. 咪除100 square 再除1000 square 咯，因為 cm 咪就係1、2、3、4、5個零嘅 square 咯。我唔會咁記啦，我唔會數咯，因為你咁樣記啦 ，it is not easy for you to remember. How about 即係你加翻可以，梗係可以啦。如果你 cm 直接轉 km，你咪加5個零嘅 square 咯。咁樣，但係我會咁樣 step by step。其實而家已經係一轉咗落嚟㗎啦，不過我只不過係 show 翻呢個咧就係轉 meter square 啦，呢個咧就係轉 km square 啦，得唔得？即係如果由 cm 係啦，如果我淨係 meter，等陣先，如果我由 cm square 轉 meter square 嘅話咧，我就要 divide by 100 square 嘛。如果我由 meter square 再轉去 km square，我要再除多一個 divide by 1000 square。咁所以我如果直接由 cm square 轉落嚟 km square 咧，我就要 divide 呢兩個咯一齊。其實已經係咁啦，咁咯。你計錯咗邊度？計錯數。而家 OK 啊 ？OK 啦，好啦，要自己 practice 下咯噃。咁到 number 8啦，你琴日有問我 number 8嘛？你做得翻未啊 ？number 8冇咗啊？你睇下啦喎。咁number 8 part A。OK。Okay, number 8. Number 8 is a question solving the quadratic equation first. Part A, easily solve it. So I just write down the quadratic equation first, and then you can use your calculator. Don't just give me the answer, okay? If you use calculator, you can easily get 6/5 is your solution, or negative 8/5 is your solution. This is the answer, but you need the step because you can see that you have 2 marks. 有2分㗎. You need to do the factorization, and you can easily get 5x minus 6 as the bracket and 5x plus 8 as the bracket for the factorization from the answer given out by your calculator. Okay, and then it is a real situation. Talking about part B is Peter deposit 2,500 in the bank at the beginning of 2017, and then that means 2017年咧就個 P 咧係2500啦，跟住 and then deposit 1,000 in the same account at the beginning of 2018. The deposit 咗1000蚊啦 1,000 啦 and then the interest is compoundly calculated, and the yearly rate is R%. Okay, compoundly. So the amount can get at the end of different years will be written down in the table I show you now. Okay, 2017 first, in the beginning you deposit the amount, the principal is here. So at the end of the year, you will get the amount is 200 and 500 times 1 plus R%. This is the amount you can get at the end of the year 2017. Okay, and then next year you have this amount. Okay, and then next year you deposit 1 more 1,000 here. Okay, and then you can also get 1,000 times 1 plus R%. This is the amount. Okay, and also don't forget the amount that you can also get for the principal you save here. Okay, so you can get this one 1 plus R% times 2. Not times 2, square, because you have the second year. Okay, this is the first year. Okay, this is the second year. Okay, okay, and then the amount you get at the end of 2018 is 400, right? So therefore, this two, the total amount you can get is 4,800. Okay, and then you rewrite 200 plus R% squared plus 1,000 plus R% minus 408,000, and then you can compare with the equation from part A. This is part B. You can see that some more thing you can do is divide the whole equation by 100. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. No more 100. Okay, the whole equation divided by 100 is 25 something squared plus 10 something minus 48, right? And then from the results from part A, you may say that x equal 1 plus R%, right? That means 1 plus R% is actually 6/5, or 1 plus R% is negative 8/5, right? But this one is rejected because the yearly rate should be a positive number. It shouldn't be a negative one. So that you can solve the equation like this. R% means R over 100. Okay, 6/5 minus 1. So R over 100 equal 0.2. R equal 20. Okay, got it? And then let's go to number 9. Number 9 is not question for you to calculate the volume, but no figure is given. So you need to draw the figure on your own. Okay, number 9, there is a right circular cone. Okay, there's a right circular cone with the radius 4 cm. And then a frustum is formed by cutting off the upper part of the circular cone. It is cut off. Okay, it is cut off. And then it's known that the area of the base is of the frustum is 4 times that upper face. So if this is the area A1 and this is the area A2, that means A1 to A2 is 1 to 4. Okay. It is known that the area of the base is 4 times, okay? And then the height of the frustum is 9 cm. That means the height here is 9 cm. Find the volume of the frustum, okay? Find the volume of the frustum. That means you need to find the volume of this the big circular cone, and then you need to find the volume of the small cut off cone, okay? Then that means you need to find the radius of the base you have given, and then the radius of the smaller one. Okay, so let's give this one is R1, and also you need to find the H. This is H1. Okay, and then the overall H is H2. Okay, and then by similar triangles you can find that The H is similar from the similar triangle. The R1 over 4 is the H1 over H2, right? But R1 over 4, H1, H2 is H1 plus 9, right? And this is the later part you can consider. How about the given area? Given area can be also found by the ratio between the radius. So R1 over 4 square will be equal to the area, which is 1 over 4. That means R1 square equal 16 times 1 over 4. So R square equal 4, that means R1 is equal to. Okay, putting the R1 equal to into it, you can easily find the H1 is 幾多 18? 9啊係咪 Is it 9? Yeah. No, you think only. It should be 9, yeah. It is 9. Okay. So then you can easily find the volume, okay? Volume of the first term 就係 pi r square times the overall h, it is the big one, minus pi r square, which is the small one. Okay? Therefore, you can have 84 pi cm3. Okay? 因為我有答案㗎嘛。我之前做咗㗎啦，我前一晚，所以我好快做咗俾你啦，好冇？咁啊，今日講到呢度啦，因為咧我要上中一啦。咁啊，你係咪要去中一堂啊？唔係喎，我認真喎。你唔去嘅話，你可以去睇翻 Form 1嗰個 video 啦，遲啲好冇？好冇？有冇其他人喺度？其實冇啊，頭先我好似見過 Hamza 過嚟，跟住又走咗。好啦，咁我哋聽日再講啦。OK，拜拜。